Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks out of dirt. First, you need to select the right soil. Look for a good mix of clay and sand, as this combination provides the best strength for your bricks. Once you have your soil, remove any large rocks, roots, or other organic debris. Then, sift the dirt to ensure a fine, consistent texture, which is crucial for uniform brick quality. Now it's time to mix your brick material. Gradually add water to your sifted dirt, mixing thoroughly until it forms a thick, workable paste. The consistency should be firm enough to hold its shape but still pliable. For added durability, consider incorporating a stabilizer such as cement or lime. This step significantly enhances the strength and longevity of your finished bricks, making them more resistant to erosion. With your mixture ready, it's time to form the bricks. Press the material firmly into your brick molds, making sure to eliminate any air pockets for a solid brick. Level the top surface of each brick for a smooth, professional finish. Once molded, carefully remove the bricks and place them in a shaded, well-ventilated area to air dry slowly. This gradual drying process helps prevent cracking and ensures structural integrity. Finally, the curing process is essential for strong bricks. Allow your bricks to cure for several weeks, protecting them from direct rain or harsh weather. This slow curing strengthens them considerably. Before using your entire batch, test a sample brick to ensure it meets your strength requirements. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals or want to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check the description below for links and more information. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.